We have this phone here. The owner doesn't know its name, so well, we know it's a Samsung except for the model, but it looks like it's an A12 because I see here SM I don't know whether you can see SMA125F/DS. So the phone blacked out. You don't see anything showing up, like it's not coming on. But then again, let me first plug it into power to verify those claims, such that we are using empirical information to make decisions here. Okay, let me find my charger, and then so bring this right in there. We get it plugged in. Thank you. I've just received payment for another thing, of course, the one that came before this. Plugged in the charger. Thunderbolt shows, so at least we know the screen is okay. And let's see if the percentage comes. Okay, it's fully charged. Alright, let's get right in. So first stages of this video definitely is basically a tear down. So that's me taking the phone apart and showing you how it's done. Okay. You've laughed. First thing is remove the SIM card tray. Why have you laughed? Set up a midday. Okay. Right. So, where's my pin? Okay, I'm trying to take out the SIM card tray. Right. Okay, that's out. Let me keep this. Alright. Now, this definitely involves me getting into that. But since Samsung uses strong plastic, I need to use a surgical blade to do that. My nails won't be enough. If it were a Techno one in Phoenix, my nails would be sufficient. So I'm getting in right there, like that, like that. Alright, come all around the peripheries. Now these lower parts usually come really tough. Kind of like the quality of plastic used on the Samsung. You might think the thing has screws holding it down, yet it's just a lock and key mechanism. Anyway, today is a Sunday, I think the 5th of November 2023, and we are here with the Samsung SMA125F, which I believe is the A12. Alright. Okay. Does this have any fingerprint sensor? I think it's mounted on the power button. So that means ribbons to watch out for on the underside when trying to take apart the back. So I'm going to tilt it this way, seeing that the power button is mounted there, and if it has fingerprint, then flipping the side seems to be wise. Okay, let's peep. Yeah, beauty is they allowed some room for it to flex about, and they made it easy for me to pick it out. That's out, but I think it was actually even long broken because the other part, you can see that it decided to remain. So I think in placing it there, yeah, that's a useless fingerprint button. unfortunately it doubles as a power button, because I need to buy a power button. So we've already figured out actually what our problem is. This, I was actually thinking it's just more of a fingerprint, then I remembered the fingerprint doubles also as the power button. And this ribbon being broken, it explains why he is unable to power on. So the solution is to buy this. And now the problem today is a Sunday. Jose, kasente numbe ekibuga. I see if the guys I get from are open. You know the dilemma with this, eh? Even if I wanted, I can't trace it. The conducting lines are really fine, and then hidden underneath another layer of shielding mesh. So yeah, that's how you would take apart the Samsung A12. Right now I'm not going to go any further, but I think I can just demonstrate, take you through to know what it takes to get inside. So if you want to access the main motherboard for any reason, like for instance replacing the screen, you'll have to remove all these screws and then remove the bottom screws. That's if you were to replace the screen. But to access the main motherboard, only these screws, I think they're about 6, so as to replace camera lenses, work on dead ICs, working on the volume buttons and their connections, working on the flashlight, accessing the point at which the battery plugs in so as to do battery replacement. Then under the side you'll also have to remove 7 screws to work on the charging port, the earphone, so a microphone, and then the earphone jack, the loudspeaker, and the network antennas. So that's it for today, and feel free to show up in the next video. So this one solution is us looking for this power button to replace. See you.